Jesus, my only love, how I love to strew flowers each evening at the foot of your crucifix. Lord, my soul is in love with your beauty. I want to squander my perfumes and my flowers on you. In strewing them for you on the wings of the breeze, I would like to inflame hearts. Strewing flowers, Jesus, is my weapon when I want to fight to save sinners. The victory is mine. I always disarm you with my flowers. My beloved, this is how my life will be consumed. I have no other means of proving my love for you other than that of strewing flowers. That is, not allowing one little sacrifice to escape, not one look, one word, profiting by all the smallest things, and doing them through love.